Experts and business insiders from various countries have voiced confidence in China's economic growth target and the development of new quality productive forces. China sets its economic growth target for 2024 at around 5%.
في واقع الأمر الثقة بالنسبة للتنمية الاقتصادية الصينية ومعدلات النمو بها ليست لدي أنا فقط، وإنما لدى قطاع عريض جدا من خبراء الاقتصاد والسياسيين في العالم. أنا على المستوى الشخصي لدي ثقة كبيرة جدا في القيادة السياسية الصينية وفي رؤيتها للاقتصاد العالمي خلال المرحلة المقبلة، وأنها ستحقق مزيدا من النجاح، وهذا النجاح سوف ينعكس على الاقتصاد ليس الصيني فقط وإنما الاقتصاد العالمي أيضا.
The environment in China has improved substantially over the last 2 years. That's welcome news because it increases confidence in the market, and confidence, of course, means additional investments.
Meanwhile, the phrase new quality productive forces has emerged as a buzzword recently and has been gaining attention in the context of China's economic upgrading. Marked by innovation, new quality productive forces are advanced productivity in essence.
The development of new high-quality productive force in China is likely to significantly impact the global economy, influencing innovation and competitiveness across various sectors and industries. This development could lead to shifts in the global supply chain as China moves toward exporting high-value products.
New quality productive forces were needed for economic growth, not only for China, but also for the world wide, as the theme continued to emerge in Chinese government meeting as a vital for regional and national growth.